So we count how much the total cost. Well, before, I made a script to display this data from the database. The script is like this. I think we already know that this script is pretty much on the internet, so I don't have to retype. I just discussing how to summing up these prices or calculate this total price. Well, here, I'm going to explain a little bit. The first one here is to create a title from the table. We use th. This is its number, item, name, and price. Next up here, calling the connection to the database. This is in the config folder. This is it, then connection. Well, this is the variable. This command to connect to the database. Database name is FAP. Next, there is here commands like this means selecting all the files in the item table. Next here, we use $connect. $connectC is called $connectC was called from folder config. This is konekc.php file. If we open this, next, here is there to display them. Display contents of the item table. Well, this order. Next, it displays its number. Here it is, number 16. Coincidentally, there are 6 data, and here displays the name of the item. We'll be performing here later. It looks here. This is it then. The price is this, is it. Now we calculate the total price, which is in this item table. We're going to calculate the total price. But first, I am in. Make first. This is a sign of ARP. Here, I can add in this price. Exactly, here. I can add. It looks like this, RP. Spaces, then here I name it. I mean the order, number, underscore format. Like this. It's closed here. Then we can save. Then we try to reload. Well, here the RP has appeared, YA friends. Okay, after the rupiahnya appear, new we calculate the total. I made it here. I will merge. Column number and name of goods here, I will make total text, yes. Total reading here, so it's merged. Column of this number, and the names of the items are put together. Then I make the order. That. Don't forget the TR. I made the order TD colspan. Colspan equals 2 because I want to merge the first column and the second column. There are 2 total columns. Then I'll do it here. Total. Like this, yeah. Okay. Next. I can copy this, but I'll delete some later. I'll paste it here to display what the amount is or the total. Total of the price. Then this I can erase. Then here, I can give the RP. Well, here are use commands. PHP. Do not forget echo. Number underscore format. Open the brackets. Dollar total. But the dollar total is not there yet. Yeah. We do it here. Before we came here, we made it here. Dollar total. This is basically 0 in total. Yeah. Meaning that if there's no the price, then the total will be 0. But if there's a price like this one, there are 6 data. Then the command to display the total, it's like this. The same as $R price, yes. Easy enough to display the total, quite like this. Dollar total plus equals. Next, here we just call dollar total. Here, if the variable does not use quote ya friends, like this, dollar total. Do not forget we semicolon and its PHP cover already. Okay, let's save it. And we see the results here. Well, the result is this much. Automatic yes, friends. If I add the data, I added the data to the database. Here, I insert for example. I insert for example. I named the item. Is an example of Cabal UTP? Then I'll recreate the product name. For example, I made the price. I'll go here. Okay. Here the data will increase. Sure. So there are 8. The total price will also increase. If we see, I reload you. Here automatically increase. If I deleted it, this I delete this mousepad. Then he will automatically reduce reload. Well, look here. Reduced right. Well, that's how friends is pretty easy. Okay, right? Number underscore format. This serves to create number writing format. Like thousands of hundreds and the other, so that later the result, like this, yes, separated him. These three numbers like this means RP6, 500,000. The number underscore format works for writing numbers. Like thousands of hundreds and other. No. Call span equals to this, of course. Friends already know. Combining his columns, for example, I made callspan 2, means that the total, this total writing, will be one column like this. Yes, because if callspan 2 is taken this first column, this is the second column. Then join them like this in merge. Well, I think my explanation. That's enough, guys. I hope this video was helpful and can be developed later for other projects and help friends to complete projects. Thank you.